Hello, developers. Today, I'll show you how to make your search feature buttery smooth with JavaScript's filter method in just a few minutes. But wait, why do most beginners struggle to get this right? Stick around, because I'll reveal the most common mistake and how to fix it midway through this video. As a UI developer, I've tackled real-world challenges where efficient data filtering is crucial. Have you ever used an online store where products instantly update as you type in the search box? Ever wondered how that works? Today, we'll build that exact functionality, and by the end, you'll be able to create your own dynamic search system using JavaScript's filter method. Let's jump straight into the project. We have a list of products displayed on a web page and a search bar at the top. When a user starts typing, the visible products should dynamically update, showing only those that match the search term. To achieve this, we'll use an array of objects representing products, each containing properties like name and category. Our goal is to filter this list in real time based on user input. Now, here's where most beginners go wrong. They try to filter data using a loop, manually checking each element and pushing matching ones into a new array. This works, but it's unnecessarily complicated. The filter method provides a much cleaner and more efficient approach. The filter method is a built-in JavaScript function that helps extract only those elements from an array that meet a specific condition. It loops through the array, applies the condition, and returns a new array with only the matching elements. The best part? It doesn't modify the original array, making it a perfect choice for dynamic filtering. So, how do we use it? First, we capture the user's input and convert it to lowercase using the toLowercase method. Why? Because we want case-insensitive searches, so whether a user types MacBook with uppercase M or MacBook with lowercase m, the results remain consistent. Then, we apply the filter method to the product list. It checks if each product's name includes the search term. If it does, it remains in the results. If not, it's excluded. Once we have the filtered list, we update the displayed products dynamically, ensuring an instant and seamless user experience. Now, let's talk about that common mistake I mentioned earlier. Many developers forget to reset the displayed list before rendering the new filtered results. This leads to duplicate products appearing or incorrect updates. The fix? Always clear the previous results before appending new ones. This ensures a smooth, real-time search experience without glitches. What did we learn today? How the filter method simplifies data filtering, the importance of case-insensitive searches with the toLowercase method, how to dynamically update the UI without reloading the page, the most common mistake beginners make, and how to fix it. Now, here's your challenge. Try extending this project by adding filters for product categories or price ranges. Let me know in the comments what features you'd like to see next. And if you found this useful, subscribe to the channel for more JavaScript tricks. See you in the next video.